So today we will discuss about MAT. MAT is the Management Aptitude Test, which is of, I would say 1/10. Okay, 1/10. Yeah. Hello, Ritama.
Hello, sir.
So Ritama, okay. So today we will discuss about MAT. Okay, Management Aptitude Test. Today we will put our focus completely on MAT, and then again in our night class we will go back to CAT. Okay, so MAT is Management Aptitude Test, as you all know, and the difficulty level of MAT is almost 1/10 of that of the difficulty level of CAT. Okay, however, through MAT you won't get admission to IIMs, but you will get admission to some of the very good colleges. Okay, which of course are not as good as compared to like IIMs or the colleges that you get through ZAT. But again, still it is a very a very good opportunity. Okay, for most of the people who are not very excellent in maths. So we are targeting above 90 percentile in math as well. If you prepare very well for CAT, you can easily crack math. But the thing is that, as I told you, that although the syllabus is same, the difficulty level varies. What mostly you have to focus is on the exam question pattern, okay, the marking scheme, okay, all these things. So I'm going to discuss the MAT exam pattern, okay, and the MAT strategy, exam strategy. Okay, you need to know. So this is the MAT strategy as per the latest paper pattern released by AIMA. AIMA is the is a governing body which organizes MAT. Okay, so number of sections is 5. Okay, number of sections is 5. Questions in each section is 30. Earlier it was 25, I think. Now it is 30. Total number of questions is 150, right? So if there are 5 sections and each section has 30 questions, then total number of questions is 150. Total time to complete the paper is 2 hours. Okay, total marks. Now MAT does not disclose marks. That is the problem. How much marks you have got, MAT doesn't disclose that. Now the last section, okay, the last section is economic and business development GK, which is not included in percentile calculation. This is a portion which is not included in percentile calculation, okay, but still it is included. It is optional, but still you have to attempt it. Maybe 5-6 questions or 10 questions you have to attempt it. Okay, it is the last section, which is the economic and business development GK, which is not included in percentile calculation. Okay, Achha, here in MAT, LR is named as intelligence and critical reasoning. Okay, LR is named as intelligence and critical reasoning, and DI is named as data analysis and data sufficiency. That is DI only. Okay, just the names are different, so don't get confused if you see that in MAT the names of the sections are different, then maybe they are different things. No. Now there is something called as composite score. Okay, there is something called as composite score. Okay, let me see. Let me just try to find out whether I can find Niladri's this MAT scorecard. Hold on. Here it is. Great. I just got it. Oh, okay. Okay, fine. It is not in my phone, so it is not getting downloaded. So remember that MAT doesn't MAT has something called as composite score. Okay, how do they calculate? We don't know. Okay, so the composite score mainly varies from 200 to 800. Okay, that is the range within which the score is given, and this includes all the 5 sections. The score calculation includes all the 5 sections. Remember, for getting 99 percentile, see, so if you want to get 99 percentile, your composite score should be above 400. Okay, your composite score should be above 400 for getting 99 percentile. Now see, what are the different sections? language and comprehension, this is one section. Intelligence and critical reasoning, which is logical reasoning, this is one section. Data analysis and sufficiency, this is another section. Math and GK. Okay, so language and composition, number of questions 30, as I told you. Ideal time limit, how much time should you take? 20 minutes. Okay, number of attempts 25 and percentage weightage is 25%. Number of attempts means what? You don't need to attempt all 30 questions. Even if you attempt 25 questions correctly, that will be sufficient. What is the percentage weightage over here? 25%. Remember, 25% is the weightage, because see, you can 25% is the weightage. Okay, 25% weightage means what? The total math score. Okay, the total score out of which the exam is happening, 25% weightage is there in the language and the comprehension part. See, you can understand, because there are five sections, as I told you. Okay, out of which one section doesn't include is not included in the score calculation, percentile calculation, right? The GK portion is not included in the percentile calculation, so remaining is 4. So your total 100% marks is distributed among 4 sections, which is 25% each section. Okay, so number of questions is 30, ideal time limit is 20 minutes, number of attempts is 25, percentage is 25%. Okay, now logical reasoning, number of questions is 30. Okay, number of questions is 30, ideal time limit is 25 minutes, number of attempts is 25, and percentage weight is 25%. Same thing, number of attempts means for how many you need to attempt to get 99% above. You don't need to attempt all 30, 25 is just enough. Data analysis, which is DI, number of questions 30, time limit 30, number of attempts 25, percentage 25% again. Okay, maths, see, for maths, number of questions is 30, ideal time limit is 35 minutes. Okay, so see, the time limit will not be divided section wise. You have to actually divide the time limit on your own. For maths, you can take above 35 minutes, around 35 minutes. Okay, number of attempts 25%, and of course percentage weight is 25%. Now say GK, number of questions 30, ideal time limit 10 minutes only. Don't spend any time on GK, because that will not be included in percentile calculation. Okay, ideal time limit is 10 minutes, number of attempts 10, that means attempt just 10. Okay, percentage weightage nil, so you cannot just leave it, you just have to attempt just 10. Okay, for proper score calculation. Okay, see, as I told you that composite score actually includes all the 5 sections. Composite score includes all the 5 sections. Okay, but percentile calculation doesn't include the GK portion. So for calculation of the score, you need to include all of them. Okay, now GK score is not considered in math score, okay, or percentile. See, GK score is not considered as math score or percentile, but it is counted in deciding rank and composite score. Okay, math score and composite score both are different. Remember, math score math will never release the math score, but they will release something called as composite score. While calculating composite score, the GK marks is counted, but it is not counted while calculating the actual math score and the percentile. Okay, so this one I am sharing with all of you. Okay, please copy this